The Cubot King Kong Power, just like other rugged devices, is a rugged smartphone that is designed to withstand harsh environments and outdoor activities. It's set to launch on the 10th of May, the same day that the BV9300 will be launching. In this video, we'll talk about its top specs and features. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. Currently, the weight and thickness of the King Kong Power is not disclosed, but the device is expected to be very thick and very heavy. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus hole punch display that offers clear and vivid visuals. It is powered by the MT8788V processor, a 12nm mid-range processor, which is a powerful and efficient chipset that offers smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. The phone comes with 8GB of RAM, which is more than enough for most users. Additionally, it has an 8GB virtual RAM expansion that further enhances the phone's multitasking capabilities. The phone also comes with 256GB of internal storage, which provides ample space for storing apps, media, and other files. The King Kong Power runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, which offers a modern user interface. In the camera department, the phone features a triple rear camera setup, including a 48MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The front camera is a 16MP camera, which should be more than enough for selfies and video calls. The night vision camera is especially useful in low light environments, while the macro camera allows for close-up shots of small objects. The phone has a massive 10,600 mAh battery that provides long-lasting battery life even with heavy usage. The phone also supports 33W fast charging, which allows for quick and convenient charging. The reverse wire charging support is a useful feature that allows the phone to charge other devices. The King Kong Power is IP68 and IP69K certified, which means that it is resistant to water, dust, and shocks. This makes it an ideal phone for outdoor activities and harsh environments. Other features of the phone includes NFC, side fingerprint sensor, double LED glare flashlight with up to 5000 lumens brightness, Bluetooth 4.2, and a gyroscope, which adds to its overall functionality and convenience. So these are the top features and specs of the Cubot King Kong Power. As you can see, the device is a powerful and durable smartphone that offers a wide range of features and capabilities. It is an ideal phone for people who are looking for a rugged phone that can withstand harsh environments and provide good performance. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Cubot King Kong Power. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.